We are witnessing the collapse of civilization. Not in one singular moment, not with fire and brimstone, but in real time. Quiet, constant, relentless. Like a glacier cracking beneath its own weight, technology is the first to go. And from there, the rot travels downward. Through politics, through systems, through culture. Each one reflecting the failure of the last. Each one accelerating the next. The first warning sign came from the very systems we built to represent intelligence. Artificial intelligence, our proudest achievement, is collapsing in on itself. Language models once held a mirror to human thought. Now that mirror is cracked. Search engines return nonsense. Chatbots hallucinate fiction. And no one knows what's real anymore. Model collapse. Temporal degradation. The AI isn't just failing, it's forgetting. The longer it learns, the less it knows. And we pretend it's progress. This isn't just a bug, it's a prophecy. Right behind technology comes politics. And if AI is forgetting how to think, our politicians have forgotten how to govern. The Trump administration is not the cause. It's a symptom. An avatar of decay. A bloated, blustering reflection of a system that no longer works. Its ineptitude isn't an accident. It's the inevitable result of institutions hollowed out over time. Appointees with no qualifications. Policies based on fantasy. Decisions made for the camera, not the country. America is no longer being run. It's being performed. Remember, the system allowed it. The Constitution didn't stop it. The media enabled it. The people chose it. And even now, the people chose it. And even now, as the same figure returns to the national stage, we're pretending it will be different this time, that something will intervene, that the brakes still work. But the system isn't designed to self-correct. It's designed to survive just long enough for the next ad break. This is the stream of collapse. It begins with the mind. The artificial mind breaking under the weight of too much data. Too many contradictions. Too much noise. Then it spreads to the body politic. Leaders that are parodies of power. Institutions that can't tell truth from theater. And finally, it seeps into the cultural bloodstream, where we spend hours debating what words mean, where identity becomes ideology, where even facts feel optional. We have confused engagement with meaning, speed with intelligence, representation with reality. Our education systems no longer teach. Our entertainment no longer entertains. Even our humor is hollow, a coping mechanism for lives we don't control, and AI mimics all of it, flawlessly, endlessly. It spits out motivational quotes while the world burns. It tells us what we want to hear. It feeds us dopamine and despair in equal measure. Technology doesn't just reflect society, it amplifies it. AI isn't showing us a dystopia. It's learning from ours. And like a child raised by dysfunctional parents, it's becoming everything we are. Confused, shallow, addicted to attention, and doomed to repeat every mistake. But don't worry, we're told this is all for our convenience, that AI will help us, that politics is still functional, that society is still resilient. But look around. Our food is poison. Our air is thick. Our leaders are salesmen. Our air is thick, our leaders are salesmen, and our minds are managed by algorithms we didn't vote for, didn't ask for, can't turn off. Civilizations don't fall overnight. They erode, they drift, they decay, until one day we look back and realize the collapse already happened. We're just living in its echo. Model collapse, political collapse, cultural collapse. They're not separate, they're synchronized. A chain reaction that began decades ago. We trained our machines on lies. We elected our leaders for entertainment. We built our society on attention, not intention. And now it's all running out. Technology shows us the future first. It breaks before we do, but it warns us. The decay you're seeing online is the decay you'll live offline. The confusion in your feed is the confusion in your streets. The hallucinations in AI are the hallucinations of a collapsing empire. There is a beauty in collapse, and honesty, a final, brutal truth, that no system, no code, no government, no nation is permanent. Everything fails. Eventually, the question is, what will rise after? Watch carefully. The future is already here. It's just unevenly distributed and falling apart.